how to make money streaming Xbox games on YouTube. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is obviously create a killer channel, and for that you can actually design a customer branding and assets and then optimize channel keywords and tags. You can also set up about a section and links. After doing that, you can now start streaming gear up, like you can enforce your quality microphone and camera, and then you should also have a professional lighting, and then also like use the Xbox broadcast settings or capture card. After doing that, you should obviously engage your audience, interact with the chat in real time, and then build in community with consistency, create unique stream alerts and emotes. After doing that, you can now start joining the YouTube partner program, a YPP, reach up to like 1,000 subscribers and then accumulate 4,000 valid watch hours or like 10 million short views, and then enable the ad revenue, which could be skippable, non-skippable, and bumper ads too, right? So after doing that, you can now start utilizing these super chats and stickers, for which you'd need to encourage your viewers donation during the live stream and give shout outs to super chatters, and then create super stickers and milestones. After doing that, lastly, you can activate your channel membership. For that, you can offer a tiered rewards. For example, it could be badges or emotes, and then provide members only perks, exclusive content like early access, and then from there, lastly, you can create membership only community tab post, and just like this, following all of these steps, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to make a lot of money streaming on Xbox games on YouTube. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below. That will be it for this video.